Okay, so look at this question. Determine the particular solution of this DE. Given that y0 equals to 7 means x0, y equals to 7. Express y in terms of x means find your particular solution. Okay, so when you're doing DE, we have two choices, whether separable or IF. So how we determine whether it is separable or IF? If separable, variable x and variable y can be factorized completely. Means y in one factor, x in another factor. If we can't factorize completely, then your question has to follow IF. Follow the step, simplies one by one. Alright, so we try to see this differential equation, whether can factorize or not. Can we factorize this x, y plus x? Yes. Yes, x can be factorized out. But when x factorized out, what happened? It's supposed to be power 2 over 3. Remind back your topic 3 binomial, SM1, SM1. When we factorize from the bracket, it will follow, it will having the power together. Alright, not just only take out the x only, because inside the bracket here you got your power. So we can see this is your factor of x. This is your factor of y. So your x and y doesn't mix together. It can be separate. So these questions can solve by separable method. So how to separate them? Factor of y, go back to left hand side. Then the dx go to the right hand side. Then we integrate both sides. So to integrate this, start back the concept of integration, simplify, formula, technique. Sim for that topic 2. Simplify. Can we simplify this? Yes, we can rewrite this into the power of negative 2 over 3. Then everything will be ready to integrate. So after we simplify, we find for formula. Formula in the bracket of linear. So formula number 3. Formula here we have 7 formula. Alright, so formula number 3 about a bracket. So what is your formula number 3? Your power plus 1. It will become 1 over 3 over new power 1 over 3. So the denominator straight away go back to the numerator, so we don't have over and over again. Then in the bracket, coefficient of the y, 1. So formula number 3, you got 3 steps. Power plus 1 over new power, coefficient of the x. But this one is not x, so coefficient of the y. Okay, that one. Ax plus b and integrate. So ax plus b, power plus 1 over new power, coefficient of x is formula number 3. Then for integrate the right hand side, individual x. So we just power plus 1, 5 over 3 over 5 over 3. So over 3 we inverse it to the numerator. So after we integrate all, plus constant c. Then we need to simplify this. So y plus 1 power 1 over 3. This one 3 over 5x. So try to simplify until general form. Then only we start substitute value to get particular form. Alright, so you don't substitute values right away from here. Simplify first. 3 you move 1 over 5. Constant divide by 3. Still a constant. Satu nombor bahagi dengan 3 masih lagi dapat satu nombor. Still a constant. Okay. Then power of 1 over 3 means this is cube root punca kuasa 3. So power of 1 over 3, when we move it to the right hand side, it will be power of 3. Then lastly, y equals to minus 1. Then this is our general solution. So show our general solution, then only we start to proceed to another part, which is particular solution. So in particular solution, we need to substitute the value where x equals to, from the question given, x equals to 0, y equals to 7. So the purpose of substitute y equals to 7, x equals to 0, here for us to find back what is our c. So move back 8, cube root of 8, we get 2. So lastly, your y will be equals to 1 over 5, x power of 5 over 3, c is 2. Then only this is particular solution.